Hello, today I have an unboxing from Speedcube Indonesia. So in here should be the Yuxin Blue 4x4 and the Weilong GTS. I'm super excited for this. So that's the Yuxin Blue and that's the Weilong GTS. Wow. Yeah, so let's get a closer look. Let's open these up. So I am extremely excited. I've never felt a Yuxin Blue before. This kind of spider, right? Yes. So, yep, it feels exactly the same size as my mini Aosu, which I don't have right now. But okay. First turns. Oh, it's really slow and sluggish. I expected it to be like about the same speed as my mini Aosu, but it's much slower than it. Tensions are pretty loose too, but okay. Corner cutting, not that great, right? I guess I'll just loop this, break it in, and I will do the spring swap using the Chi Thunderclap. Yep. I look forward to that. Next up is the Weilong GTS. I'm extremely excited. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Cool. It's really light compared to my usual, I think. Yeah, it's lighter. The shades are a bit different. Yeah, the orange are the first difference. I prefer this orange. So first turns. That's amazing. Compared to the usual. It's definitely my main. I think I can handle the speed. I'll just slow it down a bit using Practice 50K here. Yep. And I'll tension it a bit, and I'll probably make a review on it and maybe a comparison with the Google News Show. I really love this. So thank you for watching this unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe.